we're doing this. Try not to break my scissors in the process, but if they break, they would be worth it. Okay. All right, we're getting there. This is an unboxing. We're opening this thing together in real time. Okay, goodness. You know when the tape just gets stuck a little bit, like you're super excited to open up your surprise package, and then, you know, whew, okay, but then your Hulk strength activates because you're like, no, I'm getting into this box. Okay, this is fun. There are many little layers of cardboard. One last piece of cardboard. Okay. Oh my gosh. They're my books. Okay. So for everyone who pre-ordered, that's been very patiently waiting, I want to say thank you. And now you have proof that I have the copies, and I will sign them and send them to you as soon as possible. There have been some delays. It is a very interesting time to be alive for many reasons, as well as, yeah, being an author. It's also interesting to kind of add that to your list of titles these days. And I just thank everyone for their patience. And yeah, I'm just gonna take a look at my book. It's my first time getting a shipment. Okay, so it feels nice and slick. Ooh, I like that. I mean, of course, I helped make it happen, but yeah, huge shout out to my designers too. Oh my gosh. So I'll be signing them right here. In case you're wondering when you open, where's the signature? It's right there. It's gonna be in the first page. I hope I don't see anything, like any mistakes as I'm flipping through. My demeanor might change a little bit, but no, I'm happy. Oh my gosh, little workbook stuff. I always love workbook activities in books, so I wanted to be sure that we had that as well. At the end of most chapters, you can really make it your own, or if you do want to share the book, then get a notepad and paper. But you know what? You don't have to share. You can just get more books. Totally, you know, the author approves of this. Okay. Oh my gosh. So yeah, there's the About the Author page. One thing I might add to future versions is where I'm based, because I think that's such an author thing to do. I'll just say Stephanie Thoma is currently based in San Francisco, California. That's where we're at right now. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is a proud moment. And being the introvert that I am, I'm not screaming because this is natural. Like, I'm inwardly very happy right now. Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing this moment. And if you have any questions or comments, I'm just gonna be like kind of buzzing all day and totally open to answering them. Bye for now.